The purpose of the evaporating cloud is threefold. First, it helps us structure what might be a vague conflict for easy analysis. Second, it helps expose the underlying assumptions behind each side of the conflict, allowing us to see which ones may be invalid. It's these invalid assumptions that open the door to win-win conflict resolution. And third, it opens the door to new ideas, breakthrough ideas, to resolve the conflict in a win-win manner. Ultimately, it helps us identify what to change to.